What is the best New Year's resolution? 4K. What's up, milers? I'm Miles B, and this is Miles B Running. If you are new here, I'm here to help you go the distance, no matter what aspect of life it is. You probably read the title, Don't Make a New Year's Resolution. You're just not gonna make it. Why? Just give up now. You probably get on day 5 or 10, and then by then you're just gonna give up, right? I'm here to tell you, don't give up. What I want you to do, instead of set a New Year's resolution, I want you to set daily, weekly, or even monthly goals. Frequent these goals so that you can actually see them come to pass. I'm Moses over here, right? Come to pass. I'm not telling you not to set goals. I'm just telling you setting a New Year's resolution is probably not going to be beneficial for you. We really need to be in the habit of frequenting them, looking at them often, and that will actually help us to accomplish them. By continuing to set other goals, then you're going to be able to accomplish those goals by looking at them and seeing what's going on and then adjusting them to meet your needs. I've made another video. It's about setting SMART goals. So you can check it out. It's one of my first videos that I made. Check it out. It's got some great value to it. It talks about SMART. SMART stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely. So I can take a general goal. I will qualify for the Boston Marathon. Let me take that goal, that general goal, and turn it into a SMART goal. By training 4 to 5 days a week, I will qualify for the Boston Marathon by running in the Utah Valley Marathon on June 5th, 2021 with a time under 3 hours. So that is a SMART goal. I'm doing something specific, training 4 to 5 days a week, and that's measurable. I can actually see if I'm doing that or not. It's attainable. I feel like I can be able to achieve that. Last time I ran a marathon, I did it in 3 hours and 40 seconds. So I just have to shave off a minute, and then I'll get it under 3 hours. Relevant, it has meaning to me in my life because I love running, and that is something that I enjoy doing. And then timely, I have a specific end date that I'm going to achieve it on. So now that you have the application of turning a general goal into a SMART goal, what I desire for you is to accomplish them. And so by turning them into SMART goals, you can be able to achieve them and give them the attention that they need. And again, let me reiterate, looking at it daily, weekly, or even monthly, that will help you create that habit. Let me recommend Atomic Habits. This is a great book, and that will also help you set goals for yourself as well. So I'll put a link below on that. You can check it out, either a physical book or Audible. I like to listen to Audible books either on my runs or driving to work. Do you guys listen to Audible, or are you a physical book person? I hope this was of some sort of value to you, or maybe I'm just reiterating what you already know. But if it was of some value, hit that like button, subscribe, leave me a comment of 1 or 2 of your goals that you're trying to work on this week or this month. If it's this year, yeah, you can tell me too. If it is a New Year's resolution, I'm not gonna put you on the stake and burn you or anything. We've got to make those daily, weekly, and monthly goals for ourselves. I wish you the best in setting and achieving your goals. Whatever it is, I am here for you. You can do it. I'm so excited for this new year, 2021. Here we come. If this is your year, 2021, I want you to leave me the 100 emoji in the comments below if you've made it this far. All right, have a fantastic week. I will see you when I see you. Peace.